The life expectancy in the United States is currently 79 years old. In assessing the health of a newborn, the APGAR scale identifies high-risk infants who need resuscitation. In the discontinuity issue in development, continuity refers to gradual change, while discontinuity implies distinct stages. Paul Blights says that natural selection among humans operates mainly during the first half of life. According to Lifespan Development, Paul Blights, 2003, the benefits conferred by evolutionary selection decrease with age. Natural selection has not weeded out many harmful conditions and non-adaptive characteristics that appear among older adults. Why? Natural selection operates primarily on characteristics that are tied to reproductive fitness. The first stage is the longest stage of the birth process. Ethel is 50 years old, but appears much more aged. Most Ethel's relatives have not lived past the age of 60. Which of the following genes are responsible for the accelerated aging observed in Ethel and her family members? Susceptibility genes. Julianne has lost her baby early in her pregnancy. Which of the following paternal factors could have possibly led to this outcome? Her partner was a heavy smoker even during her pregnancy. Helen is using non-medical techniques for pain management during labor. She has someone insert fine needles into a specific location of her body. She is most likely doing acupuncture. In the context of evolutionary psychology, Albert Bandura, 1998, allowed that evolutionary pressures created changes in biological structures. Behavior and social cognitive theories emphasize continuity in development. Dr. Nasrin believes that associating behavior with consequences can shape the probability of a behavior occurring. He is arguing that blank conditioning is important for behavioral modification. Operant. He is arguing that operant conditioning is important for behavioral modification. According to Jean Paglet's cognitive development theory, which of the following is true of the sensory motor stage? It lasts from birth to about 2 years of age. The blank consists of links between a social setting in which an individual does not have an active role and the individual's immediate context. Ecosystem. The ecosystem consists of links between a social setting in which an individual does not have an active role and the individual's immediate context. Kate is addicted to smoking. Even though her doctor advises her to quit smoking during her pregnancy, she continues to smoke. Which of the following is a possible consequence of her action? Her baby will have a higher than average birth weight. Uma has completed her 3rd trimester and she has given birth. Which of the following is likely to be true, assuming that the baby is perfectly average? The baby is 19 to 20 inches long and weighs 6 to 7.5 pounds. The blank view states that development is the result of an ongoing bidirectional interchange between hereditary and the environment. Epigenetic. The epigenetic view states that the development is the result of an ongoing bidirectional interchange between hereditary and the environment. Epigenetic. Jessica spends a lot of time thinking about the choices she has made in her life and the events she has witnessed. She is adjusting to decreasing strength and health. She has made several lifestyle changes as a result. Jessica is most likely in the blank period of development. Late adulthood. Tammy is pregnant with her first child. She tells you that she loves swordfish and has it for dinner 2 to 3 nights a week. Based on that current research, what advice should you give Tammy about her diet? that swordfish is not recommended for pregnant women because it contains a high amount of levels of mercury. According to Paul Bates, as the benefits of evolutionary selection decrease with age, the need for blank increases. Environmental pressure. So the environmental pressure increases. Which of the following is true about mitosis? Mitosis results in the formation of 3 new cells. The blank is like a bag or envelope and contains a clear fluid in which the developing embryo floats. Amnion for amniotic fluid. Amnion. Giovanna was found to be Rh incompatible with her first child. To prevent her body from producing antibodies that would attack any future Rh incompatible fetuses, her doctor gave her ROGAM. Melody and Harmony are identical twins. This means that they developed from a single egg that was fertilized by a single sperm. Changes in motor skills, nutrition, exercise, the hormonal changes of puberty, and cardiovascular decline are all examples of blank processes that affect development. Biological. They decline are all examples of biological processes that affect development.